Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the WhatsApp microphone not working problem on both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. Check microphone access. Firstly, let's check microphone access for WhatsApp. If the app can't access it, it won't work. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll to WhatsApp, and enable the microphone toggle. For Android, long press on the app icon, open App Info, select the permissions, and tap on microphone. Choose Allow Only while using the app. Clear cache. If WhatsApp's cache data is acting up, it could impact the microphone. For Android users, long press on the app icon, open App Info, tap on Storage and Cache, then clear the cache. Note, this step is applicable only to Android phones. Bluetooth devices. Check your Bluetooth devices. If connected earbuds or headphones are causing the issue, disconnect them. Swipe down on iPhone or access quick toggles on Android to disable Bluetooth. WhatsApp updates. Regularly update WhatsApp. An outdated app version might be causing audio issues. Head to the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone to install the latest WhatsApp update.
That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.